Hi guys. So today we are exploring proportional relationships and our learning goal is I can determine the slope at the rate of change in a proportional relationship. So let's go started. You should have the paper. So what we're going to do is show you the first three examples and then you will complete the whole paper and show it to your teacher. The first problem says Keisha earns $5 each week for an allowance. How much money will she earn after 4 weeks? So what we're going to do today is use the tables that we're using, the ratio tables. So I'm creating my ratio table. I'm going to, of course, label my table, weeks and money. It says for each week, $5. So what will happen with the second week? 10, third week, 15, and 4 weeks will be $20. So I already answered my first questions, $20. How many will it take to earn $30? So with this, you need to find that. You can find your unit rate. You can use your unit rate by what number you multiply 6 to get 30. Sorry, 5 to get 30. 6 and 1 times 6 equals 6. So I already know that it will be 6 weeks for her to have $30. So remember, using the ratio table will be the good options for you for this type of problems. I'm going to show you the second example. It costs $8 for 16 gourmet cookies. How much will it cost for 32 cookies? So I'm going to do a double number line. I'm going to put money and cookies here. I'm going to put, for example, for $8, 16 cookies. That's what my problem is asking me. And now it's asking me for for 32 cookies, how much money? So it looks like we're doubling here. So it's 16. And then it's asking me for $4 money right here. So 4 is what is happening. Dividing by 2. So I already have my answer, 8 cookies, and the cost of 32 cookies will be $16. Now, if I continue dividing by 2 here, so for $2, or with $2, I can buy 4 cookies, and with $1, I can buy 2 cookies. Or one cookie costs 50 cents because I basically divide by 2. So remember, we always look for that unit rate. Our last example is a recipe requires 1/2 cup of milk for every 4 eggs. How many cups of milk are needed for 12 eggs? For this case, I'm going to use my table, but I'm going to set up a proportion. Remember how we use the proportion? So we have a cup of milk and eggs. So here we have a half of cup for eggs. So for 12 eggs, how many cups of milk? So here you can use your calculator, or if you know how to multiply, very easy. 4 times 3 equals 12. 1/2 times 3 equals 3.5. So I will need 3.5 cups of milk. Okay, now exactly the same. I can complete my table and I can say, okay, I have 3 cups of milk. Now I need to complete the third one. How many eggs I'm gonna need? So after I set up my proportion, and I can do whatever you decide, cross multiply or whatever you decide in your calculator. 4 times 3 equals 12, divided by 1/2 will give you 24. So you will need 24 eggs.